why do you think Dave and Lindsay sang the Pledge of Allegiance when they weren't supposed to talk?
You guys know it's my way.
And why do you think they gave a truce when they sang?
Okay. I think that they sang the Pledge of Allegiance when they did that because they can like say words to teachers but they can only say 3 words. So I think that maybe they were singing the song when they weren't supposed to talk because maybe they were just calling it off because they know they might get into trouble and they could get expelled for doing all that stuff.
Wait, what was the question? Oh.
Why do you think they sang?
I think they sang because then they wouldn't have time to get back to their seats, so then they wouldn't be embarrassed. And I think they maybe forgot how to talk, so they're like, oh, let's sing really loud.
I politely disagree with Hanna.
You are so mean. Okay, continue. Yeah.
I politely disagree with Hanna because I don't think they forgot how to talk. It's just that
That's not what I meant.
Maybe they just gave up on themselves and they just couldn't handle it anymore. Thank you for watching.
No.